The foodie in me would not let a Welly trip end without a visit to what could be the world's tastiest laneway and Wellington's hidden foodie gem, Hannah's Laneway. The former shoe factory is now considered a gourmet heaven because of the various gastronomic options. Some of them I paid a visit to. First stop is this cute peanut butter window shop in what was previously the laundry of the Hannah Shoe Factory. Fix and Fogg offers gourmet toasts and peanut butter tastings. What caught my palate's fancy? Peanut butter with dark chocolate. Tried it, loved it, sold. In hindsight, I should have tasted and bought some more. The chocolate lover me was excited to visit Wellington Chocolate Factory. With beans sourced from around the world and using artisan methods from 18th century, mighty chocolate bars are crafted with a Cuba twist. One thing I missed though was the public tour on Saturdays where you'll get to tour around the open plan factory and learn all about the process. Be sure to book a spot on their website when you plan to visit. But one thing that I made sure not to miss was to have a cup of their salted caramel hot chocolate, which was absolutely heavenly. Just outside Chocolate Factory is Doni Taco and across is Golding's Free Dive. Moving on to our next spot, one of the celebrated artisan producers in this area, Leeds Street Bakery. It is the home of the world-famous salted caramel cookie. $5 a piece, bought one to try. To be honest, should have bought and brought home some more. Well-deserved moniker, soft and chewy, salted caramel yumminess indeed. Now it's time to explore the rest of the street art, and the other dining and drinking options in the area. While we're here, let's visit the next door street, one of Wellington's best loved and best known streets, Cuba Street. Cuba Street is a good mixture of diverse dining and shopping options. One known attraction in this street is Bucket Fountain, a fountain made from brightly colored buckets being filled with water. Originally called Water Mobile, it was installed in 1969. And this is the Rainbow Crossing, installed in October 2018 to show support for the city's LGBTQ community. And that's it. Thank you for joining me as I explored Hannah Laneway and Cuba Street. Thank you for watching.